welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've landed here for the very first time. Hope you subscribed to my channel, clicked on notification bell so don't miss out any further updates. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. All the links will be in the description box. Hi, this is Dwija and hope you're doing fine. Okay, we are reacting to Johnny Depp being hilarious in court. There are a lot of parts and I've just chosen a random part for now. I did get a few recommendations for me to react to what was going on between him and Amber Heard, if that's how you pronounce her surname, I'm not sure. But I've been seeing memes and everything on the Instagram timeline and it's been fun. And since you asked me, I was like, okay, let's give it a try. I have no idea what I'm getting into for this one, but Johnny Depp is hilarious. It's a fact. And we love him. I love him, sorry. I'll speak for myself. I don't know about you. But let's go. Let's give it a try. Why not? So this one is part 5. That's just the link that was given to me by one of you. So that's fine. I guess that's fine. If we enjoy it together, obviously, we'll make more reactions to it. Or else I'll probably just watch it for myself. We'll see. We'll see. Play.
How many times have you seen Mr. Depp use marijuana?
Too many to count. I mean, daily.
When you're working security for Mr. Depp, it's Mr. Depp and Mr. Depp alone that is your client, correct?
That is not correct.
Well, in fact, you saw Mr. Depp push or shove Whitney Heard, correct?
Absolutely not.
And it was only after Mr. Depp pushed Whitney that Amber stepped forward and punched him in the face. Isn't that right?
Why is there a poop symbol on her?
Correct.
Oh man.
Next witness.
Mr. Depp calls Jack Wiggum, who should be waiting in the electronic lobby. Were you aware of Mr. Depp's professional reputation at the time you became his agent in October of 2016?
I would say objection leading, and I think it's going to call for hearsay. I'll overrule at this point.
Johnny's reputation, in my opinion, was very, very well regarded and respected by peers in the artistic community.
Your Honor, I'm going to object. First of all, he says in his opinion, which he's not an expert witness, and second, he's now going into hearsay.
No, I'll overrule the objection. Go ahead.
Mr. Wiggum, Her Honor, you may
Every
continue.
time you're making this emoji on her own man.
Brian Lauren and myself finishing a deal that had started at the previous agency.
Objection, Your Honor. May we approach?
Okay. Hold on a minute.
I do feel at some point like it might be different if I started with part 1, right? Maybe it would be in order, I'm not sure. But we'll go with part 1 if you want me to react to, and if you want to, I mean.
What
We'll see.
role was Mr. Depp to play in Pirate 6?
Objection calls suspected.
I'll allow it.
Hearsay.
I'll allow it.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
In 2017, to what extent, if any, was Mr. Bruckheimer supportive of Mr. Depp remaining in the Pirates franchise?
Objection, Your Honor, calls for hearsay.
I'll sustain the objection.
Thank you, Your Honor. To what extent,
Will he
if any,
be able to
did
talk
Mr. Depp
at this point?
socialize with anyone at Disney in 2017, to the extent you know?
Objection, Your Honor.
I'll allow it to the extent he knows.
Do you know whether
Sorry, I shouldn't be
Mr.
laughing.
Depp socialized
serious.
with Disney during 2017, yes or no?
I do.
If you could lay a foundation to how he knows.
And Your Honor, may we please publish this to the jury as it's been previously, oh it is, thank you. How, if at all, did Ms. Heard's op-ed impact Mr. Depp's ability to land roles in studio films between December 2018 and October 2020?
Objection, Your Honor, calls for hearsay, foundation, and expert.
I'll sustain that objection. Next. Are you near the end, Mr. Chu? I just want to make sure. 'Cause
I
it's
am.
coming up on our morning break. Okay.
This is an email chain with the subject line, quote, Johnny Depp's Jack Sparrow won't return.
Reading even from that to the jury. It's a hearsay document. He's asking questions from the hearsay document.
I'll allow that question.
Would
It's
you
not even
please
going
explain
forward
to the
because
jury
of-
what the message was about?
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay. Hearsay. He's asking to essentially say.
If we want to approach for a moment.
He's having his moment.
Mr. Wiggum, did there come a time after Ms. Heard's publication of the op-ed on December 18, 2018, but before October 2020, that you learned more about Disney's plans about whether it would cast Mr. Depp in Pirates?
She's already up.
I'm just asking whether.
Okay, I'll allow that.
Yes. What, if anything, did you learn about the role Margot Robbie would be playing in Pirates 6?
I think that goes for
I'll overrule the objection.
To what extent did you reach out to Jerry Bruckheimer or Sean Bailey? It does not, Your Honor.
Overruled, I'll allow.
Thank you. Was
Epic
your
fail.
outreach to
For
Mr.
real,
Bruckheimer
epic.
and Mr.
Stop
Bailey
it.
successful?
I'll allow it.
No. When was the last time you discussed Mr. Depp's role in Pirates 6 with Jerry Bruckheimer, Sean Bailey, or anyone else at Disney?
objection, Your Honor.
Overruled.
2019, I believe.
In addition to Pirates 6, did Mr. Depp
What is
lose
she
other
writing, though?
films between December 2018 and October 2020 because of Ms. Heard's op-ed?
I'll sustain the objection.
In addition to Pirates 6, did Mr. Depp lose any other films between December 2018 and October 20?
First of all, I don't think he testified that he lost Pirates 6. Second of all,
She's now contradicting the witness's testimony, which is inappropriate.
Both of you, overruled. Let's go. Next. Go ahead, answer the question. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'll go ahead and take our morning recess. Do not discuss the case with anybody and don't do any outside research, okay?
He's testifying to the impact of the op-ed. I think it's, in fairness, we should be able to put this in and be able to make the comparisons.
It's clearly hearsay.
Okay, I'll sustain the
It's
objection.
not offered to prove the truth of the matter asserted, Your
I'll
Honor.
sustain the objection.
Okay. Well, let's go to...
Okay, it's her side now. He's already annoyed.
So do you recall that it says in here,
Objection, hearsay, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
She's just trying to backdoor your ruling.
the emoji's back.
and the press that surrounded that case, do you recall it being focusing on things like Mr. Depp's drug and alcohol use?
It's okay, take
I
it.
don't recall when I first read it.
You don't, I mean, it wasn't a big deal to you. You didn't read it in 2018, correct?
I have a wife, 2 kids, a full-time job. I don't remember.
Okay. And you have no idea when you first read it? I just want to make sure I understand that.
Objection, asked and answered. Sustain the
Look,
objection.
I wasn't
I'll
at Disney.
sustain the objection. Next question.
Okay.
I sustain the objection.
Okay.
Next question.
Mr. Marks, you were asked a series of questions about a number of publications and publicity related to Mr. Depp by Mr. Nadelhoff. Do you recall those questions?
He asked a lot of questions about a lot of articles.
Right, so you don't know how many people actually did the search for Johnny Depp in January 2004, correct?
Correct.
It could be 100 or it could be 1 million, right?
I don't know.
And you don't know if it's
Okay,
actually
I think I'm
beginning
just gonna
doing
stop
research.
for now because first I do feel like part 1 could have been better at a point. I don't know, because it could have flown well maybe from the beginning of this case. Maybe I'm not a lawyer, so I don't really understand the technicalities of everything that's happening here. I watch a lot of crime shows, but that's all I can understand, right? So understanding and making it more fun for me would be a little bit less for this video, especially because I'm not really following everything, but fun things are happening which I really saw and enjoyed at the same time. Anyway, bye.